Dave kept saying, you can do anything in 15 minutes. You can get something done as long as you work for 15 minutes a day. And what began to happen was on the days that I was just completely slammed and could not find time to do anything, and there were multiple, I would at least say to my husband, you got to leave me alone for 15 minutes, because I had this accountability group and I was able to really focus, and I knew I had a plan for 15 minutes that day. And so I knew if I could just get one thing off my mind in 15 minutes, that would further me along. And that's what happened. So on busy days, 15 minutes felt like, okay, I can do this. Okay, so in the Results Club, the Get Results Club, we had a system where we could log in daily, and we had a series of reflective questions. And what was really neat was there was sort of a place that kept up with when did I log in and when did I respond. Additionally, the people that were in that Get Results Club group with me were able to go and look at my reflections and then leave comments. That was way more helpful than if I had just said to myself, I can do this in 15 minutes. Having a group that was going to give me feedback, that was going to give me just lifting me up, that was huge. And so I thank Dave for that opportunity, and everybody else that was in my group. I know that I created a full course, 15 minutes a day for about 2 weeks, and a course was done and easy peasy.
Life gets busy, but your business shouldn't have to suffer. Whether you're sharing your business schedule with a job, kids, relationships, church, community, or other life things, your time spent working in your business should be supplemented with at least 15 minutes of working toward growing your business. Hi, I'm Dave Charbonneau, founder of Get Results Club. Join me in this live workshop. I'll go over 3 strategies for growing your business even when life is busy and time is limited. In addition, I'll let you know of one mistake you'll want to avoid that more than half of entrepreneurs make when starting their business. Just so you know, I'm not going to be doing these workshops live very often. So get registered now and be sure to catch the one coming up. Take action, get results, and I'll see you inside the workshop.